What is hemoglobin A1C? Are you diabetic? Have you heard this term before? A1C. What is that? So, hemoglobin A1C is a test that is used to get the average blood sugar level over the last 3 months. We call this hemoglobin A1C because usually the sugar will attach to the hemoglobin in the red cell. The red cell lifespan is 3 months. So then we check this blood test every 3 months if you're diabetic to see what your level is. And then it is reported as a percentage. So what does that mean? Now there are 3 ranges for this hemoglobin A1C. 1, if your hemoglobin A1C is below 5.7, that is normal. If you fall in the range of 5.7 to 6.4, then you're classified as pre-diabetic. And if you are 6.5 and above, then you're classified as diabetic. So how do we use this? We do use this to diagnose, as I mentioned, diabetes. We use it to see how well you're controlled. So if you came into the office, say in January, and your hemoglobin A1C was 9, which is high, and I'm seeing you again, say in April, what is the goal that a physician or a healthcare provider looks for? What is the goal? So usually we want to keep that A1C normal, right? That means under 5.7. Or if you're older, for the older patients, we don't necessarily want to tightly control them because we don't want them to be to get into hypoglycemic attacks. So we may say, okay, we want to keep it at 7.5. Now, my goal for my patients is to get them in the normal level. So if you were pre-diabetic, then with healthy lifestyle changes, diet modification, sleeping, drinking water, exercise, and managing your stress, then we can get you to reverse the pre-diabetes to the normal level. Now, I've had a lot of patients who have been diabetic, A1C 14, A1C 12, that I have gotten down to A1C of 5, A1C of 4. That is a fact. Now, some people believe that you cannot reverse diabetes type 2. You can go in remission, but yes, diabetes type 2 can be reversed. First of all, we have to figure out what's the cause. And believe me or not, 80% of patients with type 2 diabetes can actually get off medication because there's so many modifiable risk factors for diabetes. And when I say modifiable, it means that you have control. You know, I always tell my patients, you don't have control of your genetics. You don't have control of your age, neither your sex, but you have control of everything else. What you put in your mouth, how much you put in your mouth, whether you stay active or not, whether you're stressed, whether you sleep well, whether you lose the weight. All these are risk factors for diabetes, and these are modifiable. So diabetes type 2 can be reversed in 80% of patients. Now let's talk about obesity. Obesity and diabetes go together. We call them twins, and that is diabesity. You see, obesity means that there is extra fat in the body, extra fat around the visceral organs, extra fat in the cells, extra fat in the liver. Extra fat can inhibit the function of insulin. So there might be enough insulin in the blood, but the fat sits on the insulin receptor site on the cells. So when the insulin picks up the blood sugar and takes it to the cell and say, I need to get into you, I need to move the sugar from the blood into the cell to provide energy, but yet the fat is sitting on the receptor site, then this inhibits the ability for the insulin to function. So now insulin, we call it insulin resistant. The sugar in the blood is high because there's not enough insulin. The pancreas now releases more insulin. There's a high amount of insulin in the body, but yet we don't have enough sugar in the cell. This is insulin resistance. So that is how fat, overweight, and obesity influence diabetes or pre-diabetes. And once you lose the weight, then the blood sugar will begin to drop, and you'll have better control of the diabetes. So I know that you might be thinking that, okay, so I'm overweight. What do I need to do? I have more information on how to lose weight. I just created my Best Health Pal app. You can go to the App Store and you can download my Best Health Pal. Try the first 7 days for free. You're going to see the impact that the information on the app will have on lowering your blood sugar. 72 hours, you will see a significant drop in your blood sugar. Within a week, you start feeling more energetic, feeling better. Following the protocol that is outlined there in the app, you can see that you will be able to reverse your diabetes or lower some of the medications you're on for diabetes. My name is Dr. Cooper, doctor and board certified in internal medicine. Love to practice integrative medicine. I've helped thousands of patients reverse their diabetes, lose weight, and keep the weight off. If you find that this information was valuable, then follow me for more.